Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to claim the American Opportunity Tax Credit for education expenses on TurboTax in 2025. This is going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this, so let's just get started. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your education paperwork, including Form 1098T and any other related receipts. Once you have all those paperwork, go ahead and log into TurboTax. So you can log into your TurboTax account on the TurboTax website. And once you sign into your account, you're just going to select the year that you want to claim the American Opportunity Tax Credit for. Once you've selected that, go ahead and choose credits and then select American Opportunity Tax Credit as the credit type. Next thing you're going to do is to enter your total education expenses, including tuitions, fees, and course materials. Go ahead and enter all of those expenses. And once you've done entering them, you're going to claim the American Opportunity Tax Credit based on your qualified education expenses. Go ahead and claim that. And once that's done, you're going to review your American Opportunity Tax Credit claim one more time, just to make sure that the claim, the details and everything is accurate. And if it is, go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take it from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the American Opportunity Tax Credit for education expenses on TurboTax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.